Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we've got an indie game in Unity called Senile Showdown. Arthfightus. Okay. Well, I saw this one. The picture is like some old guy. I don't know. Well, that was the standard FPS controller for Unity. Okay, so it looks like a Genesis kind of. I've just noticed an N64 cartridge there. That's really weird. Okay, well, like I said, it's in the game in Unity. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's just get into this. Press E to blow out the cartridge. So that's clearly a Nintendo 64 cartridge. That's actually really clever. Not sure what's going on here, but yeah, what I was saying is the cover thing looks like it's like an old Mega Drive or Genesis, depending on where you come from. Okay, this is kind of odd. Well, okay, I'm just gonna do what it says. E. Wow, a floating cartridge. Okay. Oh, whoa, hang on. Hang on. Whoa. Huh? Oh, okay. Right. There's that again. You like showing that off. It's... Oh, here we go. What? Why is it gone all pixely? Okay. I'm being harassed by a naked dude. What the f... What? Okay, I honestly have no idea what is going on. That's right. What is this? What the freaking... Ah! Get off me! Okay, well, I'm just rapidly pressing the mouse button there to do... I'm not sure what's with the heart... Well, it wasn't even... Ooh, his arms... What in God's name is wrong with it? I'm not sure... This is actually... intriguing, I've got to be honest. Can I run? Okay, I'm trying not to get my head kicked in here. Okay, got him. This is the weirdest thing I've played in a while. I'm honestly not sure what's going on, but this is quite amusing. But that's probably just the juvenile idiot inside me. Oh, wait, hey up. Get off, get off. Have that. The score is 35,000. I'm not sure how the score is accumulating, but okay. I'm guessing headshots. Okay, his head was literally turned all the way around. Fair enough. Come on then. Come on then, fella. I got you. Boom! Smash in the face. Come on. Ow! Whoa! Hey up! Where did you come from? I need to back away. He's hurting me. Back away. Get him! Get him! Get him! Smash other things too. Oh, what's this coming at me? It looks like... It kind of looked like Michael Jackson for a second. I'm not entirely sure what to think of that. Right. Okay. Have it. Have it. gone. I'm going to back up. It's a kid. That kid reckons he can kick my ass. Come on then. Come on then. I feel kind of bad for doing this because this is a bit. Just a game. And he glitched into all that. I'm not sure what to think of the effects. It's clearly mimicking a retro style game. And I like retro style games, I'll be honest. What's with his head? He's not even bothering with me. What's going on? Okay. Come on then. Sort you out, mate. Come on. Yeah! Is that a high score that I'm getting there? I mean, 72,000, is that good? So I think despite everything, a lot of effort has actually gone into this. And I kind of feel it's meant to have that whole goofy kind of silliness to it. He's just not even bothered, he's just taking it like a man. Oh, God. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to be going, or... Whoa! Okay, they're ganging up on me. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this really carefully. Careful, I don't want to. I've come this far. That was. This is crazy. This is crazy. I think the whole pixely kind of old school vibe it's going for actually adds to the comedic value of it. It does kind of feel like a weird first person, like Streets of Rage kind of thing. And I actually like this. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm actually liking this. Oh come on, he's easy. He's just this is great. I mean, I'm just ignoring the fact that the world is saying. There's another naked dude. I mean, what the... I'm just sat back in my chair now, looking, thinking... What would possess someone to put this in a game? If you are the developer of this, please leave a comment and just let me know what the deal is with this guy. Why is he naked? What? What? So, I mean, most of you guys know me as Jimmy Vegas, obviously, and I am quite a sensible person. However, there is a very juvenile side of me that just you guys don't really know. Yeah. I'm not sure how much further to go on with this because I want to carry on, but I don't want to spoil it for anyone that's actually going to play it themselves. Because at this point, I would recommend having you go just to pass a couple of minutes. It's really good. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get through to the next. Ooh, there's a red guy in red now. I'll get through to the next area. I will get there, or if I die. Oh. Oh my god! He's here again! Yes! Oh. Right, okay. That was actually very entertaining, and I'm going to leave this video here, and I would recommend playing that. I'm going to carry on myself now, start all this again, and see if I can just get through, just to see what happens. yeah, link is in the description below if you want to have a go yourself. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you... Oh, FK. Give a thumbs down if you didn't, but please let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. And to be honest, for those of you who didn't like it, I might be able to quite understand. But yeah, that was Senile Showdown, Arthfightus. And I've been Jimmy Vegas. Thanks very much for watching.